A quick look at our upcoming MX Ink support. With mixed reality, any surface can become a tactile drawing space. Writing and drawing with the new Logitech MX Ink stylus is very natural, providing excellent precision in both mixed reality and virtual reality. Here you can see that standard walls also make great canvases to anchor your virtual whiteboards to. Our new whiteboards now include a host of advanced features you'd normally only find on a more expensive, interactive, physical, real-world whiteboard found in classrooms or boardrooms. The stylus uses a pressure-sensitive nib that reacts to the pressure you place through the tip. As Engage is a mixed reality platform, we have enabled features such as 3D spatial drawing to utilize the stylus. When in this configuration, you apply pressure in the pen by squeezing the button with your index finger on the stylus. Engage is widely used for collaboration for remote teams, and up to 70 people can collaborate on our whiteboards in a single session. Hi Emily, please answer the questions which are on the whiteboard.
Okay. Okay. 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Well done, you are correct. Please proceed to the next question.
5 plus 6 equals 11.
Within Engage, you can place multiple whiteboards anywhere you wish and connect to them as needed for collaboration or to increase your drawing space. This is ideal for creative types looking to storyboard ideas with just a headset and stylus. This is just a brief look at our new whiteboard system and Logitech stylus support coming out later this month. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website at engageplc.com.